Talk less, plant more.
Talk less, plant more.
Talk less, plant more.
Plant more trees.
Talk less, plant more trees, don't argue back.
Today we are at Kinale Forest, where we have come to plant 10,000 trees. This is part of the wider agenda of sustainability, not only housed at corporate affairs, but in the whole of Safaricom, where we hope to plant 5 million trees by 2030. So we are joined by external council who have been very generous in terms of contribution, not only contribution, but also with their time coming to see us and plant with us.
We are here in partnership with Safaricom PLC to plant more trees and create legal awareness around sustainability. So we are here to collaborate to help Safaricom achieve its mission and help Kenya achieve a better climate.
We are here today to support the Safaricom initiative of planting 5 million trees before the year 2030.
At the Farmer Triple OK Law, we work on reducing the carbon footprint by ensuring we don't print a lot of papers. We focus on digital media as opposed to, the papers.
We have been able to plant 10,000 tree seedlings of cedar with Safaricom. I'm thanking Safaricom for contributing to this tree planting, and ningependa kuwakaribisha tena in Kinale. We do more tree planting so that we can be able to attain the Vision 2030 of 15 billion trees. Thank you, Safaricom.
Talk less, plant more.
Talk less, plant more, trees don't argue back.
Talk less, plant more, trees don't argue back. Thank you.